Hello, my name is Ade and this is a tutorial on interactables and interactable objects. So we already have interactable NPCs, but these are just covering the actual interactable objects under the interactables section of the RPGAIO main window. So they have a lot fewer options compared to our NPCs, as you can tell. Especially if we enable NPCs to fight, in which case the NPCs will have tons of options, whereas interactables only have these 4. Well, 5 if you include the actual interaction window. So we've made a new interactable here. I'm going to give it a name, and this is going to be based on a prefab we have here of a snack machine. So it's going to call it a snack machine. So the first thing we want to do is generate a prefab for it, and once that's done, it'll place it in the scene somewhere. So over there. And what we're going to do is just move that into a reasonable place. There we go. Okay, so we can also add an image to it. So I don't think we have one. We're just going to assign this one here. And next, let's set up the actual prefab. So basically, this is just an object in the world the player can go up to and right click or press the interact key to interact with. So we have the capsule collider, which is basically where the player can click to interact with it. So it's going to make this a little bit bigger. Or in fact, for the snack machine, we can change it. So let's first add the prefab of the snack machine. So it's going to add it as a child. Right. Let's rotate this now. Okay. And we can move this down to the ground, like so. So we have a capsule collider, we're going to remove that and instead add a box collider. Essentially you can use any collider as long as it's set with the is trigger being true. Alright, so next we want to change the center of it and height. So now that is surrounding the box quite nicely. And the snacks machine already has a box collider, so the player can't run through it. Alright, so that's done. So all we have to do now is actually set up the interaction window. So if you follow the NPC dialogue tutorial, then this should make sense to you. So here we've created a simple little dialogue interaction for the snack machine. So first of all, it presents you with some options where you can either buy a snack or stop using the machine. And if you buy a snack, then it will wait 2 seconds before then give you a response from the machine itself, where it says it gives you a candy bar, and then you can enjoy the snack. And of course you could use some other animations and sounds from our different nodes available to customize it, as it's a node interaction just like the NPC dialogues. So if we go into the game now, we can go up to the snack machine and we can interact with it. So we can stop using the machine, which ends the dialogue, or we can buy a snack, like so. Now of course there is also the opportunity to have it play a cutscene straight away rather than even show any dialogue. So we can open the interaction window and break this, and let's just do a new one and say camera look at position, for example. And also we can start this off with a cutscene. So we hide the UI and such. And then we can end the cutscene. So let's see if we can find a position to look at real quick. So I think we did have a cube. If not, we can add one. So there's a cube. So cutscene 01 underscore cube. So if we get a game object, scene01_cube, and we convert it to a vector 3. And use that value here. Like so. Gonna have like a little cutscene playing where we interact with this kind of snack machine. So if we hit play, go to the snack machine now, it plays a little cutscene for us. And every time we interact with it, it'll do the same thing, like so. So that was a video on interactable objects. Hopefully you found this useful and enjoyable. If you'd like to find out more information about RPGAIO, check out the link below in the description, and have a lovely day.